medyo mayroong akong konting confusion about the pronouncement of the former president. And I was amazed, no, na actually ngayon ko lang parang nakita to na siya yung pumatay. Ang question ko lamang po, we were talking about the 13 Chinese nationals. At sa 13 na Chinese nationals na yon, meron siyang tatlong mga bata. Merong 14 years old, merong 15 years old, at merong 18 years old. So kung sakaling totoo yung sinasabi ng former president that he killed everybody, yeah, for the love of the country, involving those children, this is something that is so serious, no?
Naniniwala ba si General Wilkins na rhetoric lang yun? Naniniwala kayong rhetoric lang yun?
Yung Dumoy, Mr. Chair, is...
binanggit mo rhetoric eh.
Yun
So,
nga.
alam mo yung utak ng dating Pangulo?
Mr. Chair, I'm talking about Dumoy Laboratory.
You are talking about what the President said.
Doon sa Dumoy Laboratory, Mr.
Dali
Chair.
lang. Pinanggit kanina eh, ni Congresswoman Luistro eh. Pinakita sa iyo yung video eh. Nakita ron na ubos ko talaga. You were not referring to Dumoy. You were referring to the statement of the former president. And you said it is just rhetoric.
Enzo Recto, kalaban ang katiwalian at kasinungalingan, kakampi sa katotohanan at kabutihan.
Thank you, Mr. Clarification lang po yung akin.
Thank you, Congressman Akop. Clarification din. I think during the last hearing kay DG Wilkins, one of the members of the raiding team by the name of SPO for Carillo, nabanggit mo, di ba, na siya ang in charge doon sa sinasabi mo nag-turnover sa BID.
Mr. Chair, kasi siya yung pinaka-senior ko, Mr. Chair, na police. So, lahat ng, kung magbigay ako ng instruction, it will be SPO for Carillo. And sa sobrang tagal, hindi ko na nga alam kung anong binigay kong instruction sa kanya. But usually, talagang I give instruction para dire-diretso, sunod-sunod yung mga dapat gawin.
Pero sa palagay mo, DG, kapag siya ang tinanong natin, he would remember na siya nag-turnover sa BID.
Baka, Mr. Chair.
So if that's the case, Comsec, may we can you please coordinate with PNP to, no? PNP?
Former, retired na yata yan, Mr. Chair.
What is the full name of Carillo? We can get that from our record. So
Yes,
please
Mr. Chair.
coordinate with the PNP and invite si SPO for Carillo in our next Quadcom hearing. So, meron pa? Okay, after Congresswoman Luistro, it's Congressman Abante, then we'll proceed with another presentation. Congresswoman Luistro, you have 10 minutes.
Mr. Chair, may we know from the record which is in possession of the Honorable Akop if it bears the name of the 13 Chinese nationals?
Yes, meron.
Your Honor, the names of the certain Chinese nationals are enumerated.
So, would it be possible, Mr. Chair, that we verify as to the travel records of these Chinese nationals with the Bureau of Immigration? Will that be possible, BI? With that, Mr. Chair, I respectfully move that we request for the travel records of these 30 nationals with the Bureau of Immigration.
13 national.
At least we see some proof that they are alive. If they still have this recent travel records. And with all due respect to DG Villanueva, of course, we could not account really where these 30 nationals are because we're not certain whether there was indeed a turnover. Sila po ba'y nasa Pilipinas ngayon? O sila po ba'y nasa China na? Sila po ba'y buhay? O sila po ba'y patay? We cannot tell until perhaps SPO for Val Carillo will testify before this committee as to what happened to those 30 nationals who allegedly were turned over to the Bureau of Immigration. I lament that we have the Bureau of Immigration here, but he seems to be unaware at all about the alleged turnover of these 30 nationals. Nevertheless, Mr. Chair, considering the conflicting versions of what possibly happened to these 30 nationals, I wish to share to the committee one of the interview of the former president, and I hope we can hear some enlightenment from DG Villanueva if he has something to say about this interview of the former president in relation to these 11 or 13 Chinese nationals.
So you have a video to show.
Yes, Mr. Chair, and I understand that the Secretariat is ready to play.
Secretariat?
For the guidance of everyone, hinahanap po natin kung nasan yung 11 or 13 Chinese nationals who were allegedly turned over to the Bureau of Immigration after the Dumoy raid on December 31. What's the year, Mr. Chair? 2004.
Nila na ginawa mo. Kaya yung sa Dumoy, inubos ko talaga. I did it because I had to do it for my country.
I believe it's clear, Mr. Chair, yung sa Dumoy, inubos ko talaga. I did it because I have to do it for my country. Can we hear the comment of DG Villanueva?
Mr. Chair, kilala naman natin si Presidente. May rhetoric talaga yan para makita. But ang sinasabi ni President is Dumoy Laboratory. Talagang patay lahat yung naandun, Mr. Chair. Hindi doon sa kung saan na area. So yun yung, I believe that's the context. But knowing him, talagang ganun magsalita, sir. Mr. Chair, patay yan. Akong bahala dyan. Mga ganun usually.
Mr. Chair.
Tatapon ko sa helicopter yan.
Mr. Chair, naniniwala ba si General Wilkins na rhetoric lang yun? Naniniwala kayong rhetoric lang yun?
Yung Dumoy, Mr. Chair, is...
binanggit mo rhetoric eh.
Yun
So,
nga.
alam mo yung utak ng dating Pangulo?
Mr. Chair, I'm talking about Dumoy Laboratory.
You are talking about what the President said.
Doon sa Dumoy Laboratory, Mr. Chair.
Dali lang. Pinanggit kanina ni Congresswoman Luistro Pinakita sa iyo yung video nakita ron na ubos ko talaga. You were not referring to Dumoy. You were referring to the statement of the former president. And you said it is just rhetoric. Rhetoric lang ba yun? I'm just asking.
Yes,
Is
Mr.
that rhetoric, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair,
Sa'yo. Sagutin mo ako. Yes or no, is that rhetoric?
Mr. Chair, yung sinasabi ni Presidente during that time was in Dumoy.
My goodness, you're impossible. You are very impossible. Sasagutin mo lang ako Binanggit mo rhetoric Alam mo naman si Presidente. Binanggit mo, alam nyo naman si Presidente. Alam mo ang utak ng dating Pangulo? Rhetoric lang ba yung sinabi niya?
I'm sorry for the word, Mr. Chair.
Ayun.
I'm sorry for the word.
Salamat.
Mr. Chair, just a very short interjection if my good friend Congresswoman Jinky Luistro would allow me.
Well, the committee, Your Honor, does not really allow interjections. But since the good Congresswoman from Batangas allowed you to, then perhaps if it is maybe 30 seconds short, that you can...
It's very, very short, Mr. Chair. Can we play again the video?
Sige. Please play the video again.
Comsec, can we play again the video?
Comsec, Secretariat, can you please play the video?
The video that was just shown earlier, Mr. Chair, where the President mentioned about naubos ko lahat.
Nila na ginawa mo. Kaya yung sa Dumoy, Inubos ko talaga. I did it because I had to do it for my country.
Mr. Chair, just want to be clarified because we apparently have a scenario here where there are 11 Chinese nationals that were turned over, and there are also killed foreign nationals in Dumoy. I just want to be clarified because DJ Wilkins mentioned categorically that the president was specifically means Dumoy. Can we put that into record, Mr. Chair, that he knows exactly what the president was talking about? Because the premise of the question of Congresswoman Jinky was about the 11 Chinese nationals. We did not know where they are, whether they're really alive or if they were, killed. Just to put into record, Mr. Chair, that the DG Wilkins Villanueva knew exactly categorically what the president was referring to.
Mr. Chair, what I hear, if I can hear it right, yung pinag-uusapan dito, Mr. Chair, issue sa Dumoy. That is why, nung pinakita yung video ng presidente na inubos ko lahat sa Dumoy, talagang ubos lahat, Mr. Chair. It's not in Arlene apartment or what. It's in Dumoy na anti-drug operation, clandestine laboratory operation, Mr. Chair. That's what I'm saying, Mr. Chair.
Okay, but you did the operation in Dumoy, right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So was there a clear, because when the president says, taking into the context of his pronouncing there, inubos ko sila lahat, did he direct you personally to make ubos of all the Chinese that you found there in the raid?
Lumaban yung anim, Mr. Chair. Kwento ko nga kanina, yung pang-anim na namatay, kinakal yung agent natin, yung police natin.
Yeah, Mr. Chair. I'm not saying the manner of which they were killed. I'm just trying to patch and link his statement with the one that you just said earlier. Kasi ang sinabi niya, inubos ko sila lahat. Pero kayo po yung gumawa ng raid. Now put that into context, did he order you to kill all those Chinese?
No, Mr. Chair. Hindi
yun ang gusto kong
kami lang, sa amin yun, Mr. Chair.
Yun ang gusto naming i-point out po ni ni Chairman Benny Abante.
Yes,
so I would
Chair.
suggest to DJ Wilkins Villanueva not to speak on behalf of the President, because we can never understand what the President really means.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
Mr. Chair.
Before that, let
Short
me
lang.
acknowledge the presence of Congressman Johnny Pimentel and Congresswoman Janet Green.
Short
Are
lang,
you done, Congresswoman Luistro? You are
Sige
okay.
lang.
Thank you, Jinky.
Please proceed, Congressman Dan.
Hindi, I was a little bit, medyo merong akong konting confusion about the pronouncement of the former president. And I was amazed, no? Na actually ngayon ko lang parang nakita to na siya yung pumatay. Ang question ko lamang po, we were talking about the 13 Chinese nationals. At sa 13 Chinese nationals na yon, meron siyang tatlong mga bata. Merong 14 years old, merong 15 years old, at merong 18 years old. So kung sakaling totoo yung sinasabi ng former president that he killed everybody, yeah, for the love of the country, involving those children, this is something that is so serious, no? And we have to take it seriously talaga. And I just wanted to know, asan na tong 13 taong ito? Sa ngayon, Wilkins, we don't know the whereabouts of these 13 nationals.
Pinatay itong mga drug lords na ito eh. Pero ang iniisip ko, yung the way kung paano sila pinatay. Ito, sabi dito, sabi dito ni Las Cañas, so sinabi niya, yes sir, and it ended our conversation. SPO4 Ben Laud approached me and whispered to me that everything is ready now. It was past 2 a.m. in the morning, SPO4 Ben Laud and I instructed our force multipliers or the RRA assets. There were more or less 4 of them to bring the 11 Chinese nationals to the mountainous area of Laud Quarry, where an 8-foot deep, more or less 6 feet in length, ready for the 11 Chinese nationals involved in the production of illegal drugs in a drug laboratory in Davao City. Thereat, I shot first Alan C. twice in the head using a 22 caliber pistol with silencer. Then 2 of our force multipliers men dragged the dead body of Alan C. near to the mouth of the grave, tossed the dead body deep down to the common grave, then followed by the 8 other Chinese nationals. I shot them alone with a pistol, one by one, twice in their heads to the ground. Then I let Jim Tan shoot the other 2 male Chinese nationals, and he did. The 11 Chinese nationals rested in peace in their common grave with bullets in their head, and the rest was history. Ito po ay sinabi sa affidavit ni Mr. Las Cañas. Halimbawa, ikaw, General Wilkins, gagawin niyo ba yung klase ng pagpatay na ginawa ni Las Cañas?
Hindi po.
Yun. Okay. Ibig sabihin, naniniwala din kayo sa due process, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ayan. So, mali yung kanilang way ng pagpatay.
Hindi ko kasi kilala si Las Cañas talaga.
Hindi yung pinag-usapan.
So, mali talaga si Las Cañas.
Ayun. Yun ang gusto kong sabihin mo sa akin.
Mali po si Las Cañas. No?
Hindi ka sumasang-ayon
Yes.
kung paano sila pinapamatay. Di mali ang ginawa ni Las Cañas.
Yes, sir.
Oo. Pero ito, personal testimony ni Las Cañas to na ginawa niya, no? So, ito. Gusto kong tanungin. Gusto ko rin tanungin ng ibang general dito. General La Peña, general ka rin, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi mo rin gagawin to.
Yes, definitely not, Honor.
Oo. Naniniwala rin kayo sa due process.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, mali ang ginawa ni Las Cañas.
Yes, Your Honor. Mali,
Alright.
Your Honor.
Sino po yung ibang general dyan? Sagutin niyo ako. General Nico, pagkasabi mo nga sa akin, ikaw ang PIDEA head dito, di ba?
The officer in charge, sir. Yes, sir, it is very wrong.
So, mali-mali yung ginawa.
Yes, sir.
No? Ngayon look ito Chinese drug lords to di ba? I mean, look tanggapin natin na dapat patayin itong mga ito. Pero, katulad nyo, naniniwala din po ako sa due process. Okay. Andyan si Mr. Peldon. Ikaw nasa PNP rin, di ba? Dati. Am I right? Army. At sa Army ka dati, di ba? Oo. Ano po yun?
Marines, Your Honor.
Marine. Yan. Matindi ang mga Marines. Believe ako sa mga Marines Pero, gagawin mo rin ba ang ginawa ng Las Cañas? Kung yung pagkakataon ka?
No, Your Honor.
Ha?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. So, naniniwala ka rin sa due process. Yun po ang sinasabi natin dito sa taong bayan po natin. Sa akin, okay lang po na arrestuin natin, idemanda natin, kasuhan natin yung mga Chinese na yan, pa-deport natin, o kaya naman pag nang laban, patayin natin. Pero yung ginawa ni Las Cañas, mali. So I'm not against this war on drugs. What I'm against is, unang-una, bakit maraming napatay? Pangalawa, bakit ganito ang pagkakapatay? At pangatlo, bakit parang may utos ang dating Pangulo rito? So, Mr. Resierto, nakita mo yung dalawang video na kanina nakita natin, no? So, palagay nyo, ano po kaya ang tinutukoy ni former President nung sinabi niya na inubos ko talaga? Ano po kaya ang tinutukoy niya dito sa inubos niya? Anong masasabi niyo dito?
Bunyog, halika na kasama ka. bunyog. Kapag buklod ay may pag-asa, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, isa ang pananaw. Sa bagong Pilipinas ang bunyog isisigaw. Bunyog, bunyog, bunyog.